What's up, guys? Thank you for watching Salvage Savers. My name is Omar, and like the title says, today we'll be showing you how to turn $2,000 into $5,000 all from one car and one website. And that website is my best friend, COPART. This is my first video, but you guys will be seeing me using this website all the time to show you how I turn these cars into a very good profit. And that is what we will be doing today. We have just picked up, just this morning actually, a 2012 Nissan Quest. Clean title, 90,000 miles. Very great price, very minor damage, and we'll talk all about that throughout the ride to Rhode Island to go pick up this bad boy. I got a pickup truck rented and a U-Haul rented, and we are ready to go. I'll be running you down with the whole process as I'm driving. We will be posting this car on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, every resale app you can think of. And hopefully by the end of it, we'll get that 5K we're looking for. I'll see you guys in the car, all right? Once again, thank you for watching Salvage Savers.
One haircut later.
Today we have a pickup truck and a U-Haul auto transport ready to go pick up a beautiful 2012 Nissan Quest. I didn't even know what this car was until I saw it on the lot. But I picked it up for a very good price, $1,700, all fees and everything included. I'm not gonna have you guys wait till the end of the video to hear that price, because I want you to stick around to see what I got for $1,700. And did I mention clean title? Woo! So I'm about an hour away now. The car looked like it had suspension damage, but we will see. 90,000 miles, pure sale from Geico. I will be giving you guys pointers and stuff like that about what to buy and what not to buy. Pure sale insurance is the way to go. Don't buy it from no Hoombi Doombi LLC dealership. Geico, safety, any insurance but a dealer. So I'm gonna go pick this car up. I'll get back to you once it's dropped on my U-Haul. We'll go through it together, see what's going on, and hopefully, since it's my first video, hopefully we're in luck and the car is excelente. So we've just made it to the COPART lot. Plow is unloading a Corvette right now, and after that we're gonna get to the Nissan. But before we get to that, I thought I would just go over the rig I have today and what I'm gonna use to pick up. So right over here we got a Chevy Silverado, $100 rental from Avis, and we got a U-Haul for $60, both insured and everything with that price. So for $160, I got the full setup plus gas. So this trip will probably cost me $220 in transportation. Now, a lot of you might say, why don't you tow? Well, when you tow a car, you lose the ability to check out the car yourself and make sure that it is as stated on the COPART website, because everybody makes mistakes, you know? But this is why I'm saying I tend to stick with insurance companies only, because the damages are as is and there's nothing underlying. So another 10 minutes or so, we're gonna have the car up on the rig, and then we're gonna check it out together and be on the way home. Let's hope everything's good. See you guys later. So here it is, the diamond in the dust that we managed to snag for $1,700. Now this side looks impeccable, all right? But when you get to the other side, you see the beast. We see here we have quarter panel damage that you couldn't really see on the pictures, but that's okay. And of course, like I said, money talks. Gave the guy $10. He put me a nice spare on there that was already in the car, and all I have to take care of is the fender. Surprisingly, there was no suspension damage. It was more of rocker damage, but that's all little stuff. As you can see, the interior is in amazing condition. Actually, I did not expect this. I thought I was gonna end up looking like basura, but here we are. I'm not gonna try to turn it on again because I just tried to turn it on, and unfortunately for me, the belt snapped. So that is not that big of an issue. And again, doesn't count as mechanical, but for $1,700 plus expenses, do you guys think we can turn this to $5,500? Let's just get this baby home and see what we can do to make this a beauty. Again, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Savage Savior.